Painter in the Park is your first artistry magic piece. In this particular artistry piece, we're going to work to really bring out all of the dynamics. The first thing we're going to do to help with that is some writing. Grab your pencil, find all of the forte and piano symbols in this piece and circle them. 2 on the first page, 3 on the next page. There's a map at the top of the page telling us the hand position. Here's middle C. My right hand 1, thumb, goes on middle C. My 3 is on E, my 5 is on G. My left hand 5 is on C, my 3 is on E, my 1 is on G. There's a note next to the picture on this page that says hold the damper pedal down, the pedal on the right, throughout the piece. Keep your heel on the floor, a little pedaling technique right away. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. That move at the end could take a person by surprise. Make sure that you notice this little box here. Move right hand up to the next higher C and E. It makes for a very sweet ending.